What's up, Marketing Uncensored followers? If I told you we had an idea that would increase your average assets per household by $144,000, resulting in almost $8,000 in more revenue for your firm, which is an 11% ROI increase on your dinner seminars and public educational events, would you be interested in the idea I have to share? All right, guys, so on my screen here, you can see that these are the typical event stats for an average dinner seminar. So feel free to pause this video to check out these numbers on my screen. But down here along the bottom, we've got an average of a 980% ROI, which is really good. But what if we could optimize that even further? And that's where FIG's Appointment Optimizer comes into play. So looking at the numbers, the first couple of statistics are the same. We're still going to get on average 15 households in attendance with an average appointment setting rate of 40%, resulting in 6 appointments for just that night. Now, where FIG's Appointment Optimizer comes in is they're going to strive to set 20% more appointments, which means in this scenario, they've booked an additional 1.2, resulting in 7.2 total appointments set from just that one night of your dinner seminar. So looking at the data further, with an average appointment persistency rate of 80%, that means we've kept 5.76 appointments, as opposed to the 4.8 kept appointments over here. Again, with our average appointment close rate of 30%, that means that we've gained 1.728 new clients as opposed to the 1.44 new clients over here. With an average assets per household of 500,000, that means that we've gained 864,000 in total new assets, as opposed to the 720 over here. So earlier in the video, I said on an average, we would get you 144,000 additional assets. That's where this number comes from. Going a little bit further, with an average commission of 6%, that means that you've gotten just over 51,000 in revenue, as opposed to the just over 43,000 in revenue in this example. Subtracting our average event cost of $4,750, you can see here that the average event cost went up by $750 as opposed to the $4,000 over here. That's because that is the average cost per night for FIG's Appointment Optimizer. So looking at the ROI, that is a 991% ROI as opposed to the 980% ROI over here on this other example. So just by spending an additional $750 per night, I've gotten 144,000 additional assets, almost $8,000 in additional revenue, and an 11% higher ROI. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, there you have it. FIG's Appointment Optimizer is the secret that you've all been looking for in terms of making the absolute most out of your dinner seminars and public educational workshops, and it just so happens that it's no additional effort for you. Give us a call to get more info.